Hello, today we're back at Orange Bricks with Marcos, and I will be doing this challenge, and I'll be trying to build a bridge out of Technic that is as long as a ruler, and I'm going to be putting weights on it. And yeah, I'm really excited to do this. I'm going to do a time lapse, and I'm going to use a bunch of my Technic parts to go across. It needs to be the size of this ruler, and at the end of the video, we're gonna be testing it. So let's get on with the video. In order to have my bridge stable and strong, I need to add a few elements to it. So these Technic pins will be a great use. Same with these ones, since they will have support. But the beams we will be using will be these ones. And I'm gonna make it six studs wide. And I'm going to be using a ton of my parts. On the edge of the bridge, I might add these pieces just to make it more stable. I'm not quite sure. I'll put these bricks in here for now. But yeah, I really want to try and get it from here to here. And we're going to put about 50 pounds on it and test it. So yeah. Now I'm going to try the time lapse, and now you'll know what you're expecting me to build. I just finished a little bit of the time lapse, and this is what I have so far. It's actually the size of this ruler. It's actually pretty hard to... It's pretty much the same size. There's there's barely a difference. Yeah, so I'm gonna add a few more bricks to here, and then we'll go on to the next step after that. Actually just finished building the bridge, as you saw right there, and here it is. I'm gonna put weights on it. See if it can hold about 50 pounds. It's as long as this ruler, as you can see. Not quite sure. Yeah, it's just about as long as that ruler. At the end I added these bricks, or no, these not bricks, these Technic pieces right here. I had 4 of them. Technically 5, because there's 2 right on that one, because I didn't have enough of those completely. Might add plates on the top. I'm not 100% sure. If I do, technically won't be a Technic bridge, but I mean, I just found a plate randomly scattered over there. I could cover it in that, but I don't think I'll need to. Honestly, this is pretty solid. I might do it at the bottom, right here, because you could see there's lots of gaps right there, so I'll just do that. And press on it down. I can't do it to the edges because this is where the table is gonna be. But yeah, this will probably be kind of useless. So yeah, this piece right here. I just ripped this piece out of my city, and there we go. Yeah, so that made it a bit stronger. Anyway, let's do the test. Up here, we have the bridge on these 2 stools. I'm going to take it off the table because that'll be extremely dangerous. Putting weights on this putting pressure on this. I'm putting pressure on this. And I'm putting pressure on the bins under there. So, yeah, I'm gonna go down to the floor. So here is the bridge, and this is the spot I'll be doing it in. I got the bridge right here, and I think I need to spread it out a bit more. That. And that. About like right there. That seems good. Now, to make it really intense, I'm gonna put my sig fig and an orange brick under the stool, so if it falls down, it'll crash on him. So I eventually got the figure down there, right under the bridge, so if everything crashes, it'll fall on them. Hope not, fingers crossed. Anyway, yeah, you could see my Lego City is a bit up there, there's a flash. Now, to put weights on it. Okay, I don't know how I'm feeling. It's just, I hope it goes well. Anyway, here we go. It's leaning quite a bit, but I'm not sure. I have another 10-pounder right here. I'm kind of scared at the same time, but who knows? Okay, right now it is like bending like crazy. Like, look at that. Right there, it is literally coming off the ground. Or off the stool. Same with right there too. I'm not sure, I might put one more 10-pounder on. Here's another 10. Okay. Okay, this thing is literally bending like crazy. You can now see it, but it's wild. Now I'm gonna put one of these bags on here that weigh a ton. And yeah, they probably weigh like 2.5 pounds. Okay. Okay, this thing smashed. Like, if you saw that in slow motion. Okay. Let me see this. I wonder if any parts broke. Right there. Wow. That's my new channel cover right here. Holy. No, just kidding. It's not. But only one part broke. And yeah. Holy, I'm gonna get to this now. Okay, this was the part that broke right here. Yeah, I'm not gonna do this again. Okay, definitely don't do this. I mean, okay, the good thing is, on the good side, it was only one. Honestly, because that was a ton. Like, it could hold 30 pounds. Wow. Okay, that was awesome. Anyway, thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share below. And see you next time. Bye for now.